I love the way this hair looks like as if it's like an extension of my hair. Sorry, I'm so sad that it didn't dry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another hair review video. I'm reviewing a ponytail I got from AliExpress. I've actually done a video with this hair before. I did a sleek ponytail hairstyle with this hair, and I'm going to put the link to that video up here. I've had this hair for like a few months now, and I've actually used it for a good while. And please don't pay attention to the background. I'm doing laundry, so yeah. Next part, I tried laying my hair down for the sleek ponytail style, and my hair was shedding a lot, but I forgot to dust it off, so you might notice some strands that fell from my head. So I got this hair from LIDA hair store. So I was trying to look for something that was more natural, more kinky, and I saw this and I was like, oh, this is like something I'm looking for. And then I got it, and it came to me, and it was actually it had more volume than I thought it would have. I didn't think that it would actually be like this, but yeah, though it's kind of fluffy though. But the thing is that it gets tangled easily, and it's kind of hard to like brush. So it's like whenever I'm trying to pack the hair, what I do is I carry this first half and I put a rubber band there, like a hair packer there, and I carry the second half and I put another band here, just so that when I'm putting it back into the bag, it doesn't go all that, because if it does that, it's going to tangle and it's going to be kind of hard for me to, like, you know, bring it back together. So you can see the hair is very full, it's very fluffy, and it has the drawstring here, and this is what it looks like. So I just draw the string and it's closed. You can carry a piece of hair and like wrap around when you put the thing on your head, but like it's your choice if you want to or not. I have a picture with this thing on my IG though. The color is 1B, and it is I got 24 inches. This is 24 inches. So when you put it high here, this is how high it is. And then when it's low, which is what I'm doing right now, this is where it's gonna be. But yeah, so honestly, if you guys are looking for like a kinky hair ponytail, this is where I got mine from. AliExpress, LIDA hair store. The link to this hair is going to be in my description box below. It says it's heat resistant, but I haven't tried any sort of heat on it. I don't know if I want to. It's synthetic. I don't know if I want to. I really don't know if I want to, because I'm scared that I'm going to like harm it. But if I do, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Well, I got it for like 12 something Canadian dollars though, so it might be cheaper in US dollars. So yeah, it was quite cheap. So basically, I buy stuff if I like them. I come on here, I review them, and if you like them, you can go and buy it too. But oh well, thank you all for watching my video. Thank you all for coming to my corner of the internet, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you love this video, or if you would like to see more videos from me, check out my channel, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.